Alright, let's get it started everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can accept some user input in C++. We are familiar with cout followed by insertion operator and which is two left angle brackets. Well, to accept some input, we would type cin for character input followed by the extraction operator which is two right angle brackets. Here is a demonstration. Let's ask a user for their name. I'll create a string variable, just write std followed by colons and string name. Then I'll create a prompt which will ask the user what their name is. Let's type std followed by colons, then cout, then insertion operator, then type a message what is your name. Okay, then to accept some user input we would type standard followed by colon cin, then our variable name, that is name, right? Where would we like to store the user input? Let's store it within our variable name. At the end of our program, let's display what the username is. Okay, to display that we have to print standard cout hello, then variable name. To run this code we have to use terminal tab. Previously we have been using output, so I can actually type in anything to this because it's well for output. If you are using VS Code, this is what we will need to do. If you are not using, you can skip this step. We are going to go to file. We have to go to file, then we have to go to preferences, then we have to go on settings, then we have to type over there code runner, then you have to go, then we are looking for run in terminal. Okay, code runner, run in terminal. Okay, run in terminal, we have to do just this checking. Okay, then you can close this, then now you can just control S, save the program, then hit run. It's asking for what's your name. I'll type my channel name, that is Akhtar. Enter, hit enter. Hello Akhtar. We're not getting gaps. Why? Because we have to make sure that we are having beautiful presentation. Then again run, type AK your name. Okay, now hello Akhtar, right? Or whatever your first name was. This time let's ask the user for what's their age. I will store this within a variable called age. I'll type on the here int age. Okay, then I'll prompt a question, what's your age, after name, right? Then user will enter the age, then I have to write cin age for the input, right? This is just to understand. You can make this like that, the comment, then output, then cout, standard cout your age, then years old, right? Control S to save the program. Let's hit run. Okay, this should work. Let's try it. What's your name, right? AKTHER, Akhtar. Then it's asking hello Akhtar. See, it's giving output hello Akhtar. Now it's asking for what's your age. Just let's type 19. Then it's giving output you are 19-year-old. Got it? Hello Akhtar. It's giving output hello Akhtar, you are 19-year-old. So that's how to accept some user input. You can use cin for character input, but there is just one problem though. If you type in a string that has space, well, once we hit a space we stop reading that string. This time let's ask a user to type their full name. Okay, let's type their full name. Let's control S, save the, just hit run. Right, full name Akhtar Rizvi, right? Hit run. Once we type full name, then we are getting that what's your name, full name Akhtar code. What's your age? Hello Akhtar, you are 0-year-old, right? That's our output. If we need to read the string that could contain space, there is a function that we can use to help us with that is the getLine function started. GetLine add a set of parentheses within the parentheses, we will type standard C in, then comma or variable name. Just let's do that. Let's just comment this. Okay, just press Control. Now just write std string name, then we had age, right? Then we can do one thing, we can ask first what's your age, type what's your age, right? Scene, then type what's your name and standard C out what's your name after age, and we have to use that function standard get line std cin, then just take a print name then age, then control s, hit run. Let's press control s to save the program and hit run. There you are. What's your full name? Okay, then type your full name like Rizvi Sir, right? Then hit run. Okay, it's asking for what's your age. Let's consider 22. There you are. Hello Rizvi Sir, you are 22 years old. Let's consider if someone goes into your program and take this statement and type, just copies from here and then paste here. Then what's happened? Just let's control S, save the program and hit run. There you are. It's asking for age. Let's type 22. Once we type 22 and hit enter, then it's giving what's your full name. Hello, you are 22 years old. What is happening there? If we accept some user input with cin followed by get line, well, in our input buffer there is a new line character and we don't pick up that new line character. When we reach the get line function, it accepts the new line character that's still within the buffer. So to prevent that from happening, there is one change that we can make to get line function. After that, you can just do one thing, can just replace, can just go there, you have to just type right here, okay, std get line c in std ws, okay, white space, and then now just control s and hit run. Now it's asking for what's your age, just let's type 22, hit run. Then it's asking for what's your name, Rizvi. It's giving hello Rizvi Sir, you are 22 years old. Correct, got it. Seen at this extraction operator standard ws for any white space, this portion will eliminate any new line character or any white space before any user input. Can just try again and again. Yeah, everybody, that's how to accept some user input. Basically you can just use scene followed by the extraction operator, but if you need a string that could include space, I recommend using the getLine function. So yeah, that's how to accept some user input in C++.